Is Mr. John? Is Mr. Sean? Is Mr. Samuel? Is Mr. Bethany? Is Mr. Oscar? And it's Mr. Adam. It's Mr. Neil. It's Mr. Jessica. It's Mr. Archie. It's Stella Cynthia Gilmore. It's Mr. Emily. It's Hammy Auckland Hughes. It's Mr. Seamus. It's Mr. Shawnee. Gach Shach and Vision Chin Kalachti. A Blake Emma.
Is Misha Keith? I guess it's Misha Fair Gonna Coaches.
I'm Misha Giri Shinchini. Happily, Russian Scaniel.